Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. At some point of time, you must have faced a situation where you wanted to make something sweet, especially Indian mithais that require mawa, and you are not able to get it, especially during these pandemic and lockdown days. So today I am giving you a quick recipe where you can easily prepare mawa at home. I also wanted to make mawa cake this Holi. For that, I prepared mawa at home and it just took me about 6 to 7 minutes in total. So, I thought I must share this recipe with you too. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So, first of all, in a big bowl, I am adding 2 cups of milk powder. You can use any milk powder, whatever brand is available. I am using everyday milk powder here. And now into this I am going to gradually add 1 cup of cream. Now you can use any cream, but the more the fat content, the better will be your mawa. So here only Amul and Mother Dairy are available. Today I am using Mother Dairy here. So just keep mixing. Now I'll add more. So just understand that you have to keep the ratio of 2:1. Like if you're using 2 cups of milk powder, you have to add 1 cup of cream, and if you're using 1 cup of milk powder, you have to add half cup of cream. Believe me, once you make this, you will not think of buying mawa from outside because it really is quite good. First I used to think that why should I go for the mawa with the milk powder and all that, but I think there is no issue because the things I make out of it gives me very good results. Yeah, just be sure that your milk powder is fresh. So see, now it is all properly mixed, and now I am going to keep this in the microwave for exactly for about 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, and then we'll see how it looks. Now this is exactly after 2 minutes. See, it has started thickening a bit, but we still have to keep it for some more time. Just give it a good mix once and then again keep it in the microwave, and now this time for 1 minute. Okay, so after 1 more minute, this has thickened more, and now again give it a good mix, and we still need to keep it for some more time. I'll show you how does it look like and when we don't have to keep it in the oven anymore. So I'm going to keep this again in the microwave and again for 1 minute now. So into the microwave for 1 minute. So see, it has really thickened. I have started getting that aroma, that fragrance of the mawa, but now I'm going to again keep it in the microwave after giving it a good mix for 30 seconds now. So this is after 30 seconds. See, it has now started looking like mawa. That grainy look has started coming up. Again give it a mix because it's still not 100% ready, and now again keep this in the microwave for about 30 seconds again. Okay, see, after 30 seconds this is how it looks like, and it is ready. It has started leaving the oil. See, and now we are not going to mix it, just keep it like this for some time, let it cool because it's ready now. Very good fragrance is coming out of it, and we are not going to mix it, just let it cool now. So now it is after 10-15 minutes. See, it has cooled down. And now look at this. What we call in India that danedar mawa, it's ready, the grainy one, and this is the perfect for all your dishes that require mawa. So now I am going to transfer it to another bowl. Now this 2 cups of milk powder and 1 cup of cream has given me approximately 375 grams of mawa. Now you can also make half of the quantity, or you can make more if you're making more sweets. So it is all up to you. So you can keep it in the fridge in an airtight container and use it within a week, or if it's winters you can use it for more days. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And until we meet again, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Happy baking!